Hey guys, how are you doing? My name is Chef Jarvis.
And my name is Chef Jimmy.
And welcome to Cooking in the Cave. Today we're going to be making one of your favorite items from the dining halls, chocolate chip cookies. In front of us, we have all of our ingredients laid out. We're gonna take all of our wet ingredients and we're gonna mix them all together. So we're gonna talk about the butter, the eggs, the sugars, and the vanilla extract. So what we're gonna do is basically mix everything in, and we're gonna use a technique that they call creaming. And that's where you mix all of your ingredients together. Now, if you guys have blenders or anything of that nature, it makes the process go a little faster. But today we're gonna do it by hand, which is one of those old techniques.
And then we're gonna just set that to the side and we're gonna move on to our dry ingredients. With our dry ingredients, we're gonna take our all-purpose flour. We're gonna take our salt. We got baking soda, as well as baking powder. Now we're just gonna mix that together just a little bit. And then we're gonna bring our wet ingredients back in. And we're gonna go half of the dry ingredients in. Give that a little bit of a mix to combine it together. You never want to over mix the batter. Just want to bring it together.
Now we add the second round of flour in. All right, so this is one of the fun process. If you like to use your hands, you can absolutely use your hands in this. And now comes the fun part, the chocolate chips. Today we have some chocolate chunks along with some chocolate chips. So we're gonna add those into the batter and we're gonna fold those in. Now with your batter, it's gonna come together, and as long as you can clump it up together like a ball, you have perfect cookie batter. So the next step that you wanna do is you wanna be able to take any scoop that you would like, or you can do it by hand. Take a little roll, flatten them out just a little bit. And the way that you can tell the best cookies is the ones that don't look perfect on top. Your chocolate chip cookies, your Chips Ahoy, they're always perfect, the same shape, the same size, no rough edges. You can tell those are manufactured, but these right here are made with love. So once you get your cookies set, ready to go,
you're gonna take them and you're gonna pop them in the oven, 350 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes, just until they're golden brown. Once you pull the cookies out and you let them cool just for a hot minute, you're gonna take them and you're gonna plate them up nice and neat. And of course, you can't forget your milk to go with it as well.
So now we pour ourselves a nice glass of milk.
Pick your favorite cookie and enjoy.
These are amazing, nice, light, fluffy,
soft,
chocolatey, gooey. Thank you for watching and please enjoy.